Here we have to find out differentiation of log 10x. Here your inner function is 10x, so we have to consider box around it. Differentiation of log box is simply 1 upon box into differentiation of box. Within the box we have 10x, so we just have to multiply differentiation of 10x, which is sec square x. Get the proper option, let's simplify. This 10x will convert it into sin x upon cos x, and this x square x will become 1 upon cos square x. So here 1 power of cos will cancel out, and we have to multiply and divide by 2. So in denominator we can get 2 sin x cos x, which can be converted into sin 2x. So 1 upon sin 2x is simply cosec 2x. So option B is your final answer. Ta-da! Here we have to differentiate log x. So to differentiate it, inner function is log x. So let's consider box around the inner function. So differentiation of log box is simply 1 upon box into differentiation of box. Within the box we have log x, so we have to multiply differentiation of log x, which is 1 by x, which can be rewrite as x log x whole raised to minus 1. So option C is your final answer. Ta-da! Here we have to differentiate root x plus 1 upon root x the whole square. Before we go for differentiation, let's simplify our bracket. Here we have a plus b the whole square, which can be expanded as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So our bracket will become root x the square, or we can say x, plus 2 times root x into 1 upon root x plus 1 upon root x the square, or we can say 1 by x. Now this root x will cancel out, and we are ready to differentiate. Differentiation of x will be 1. Differentiation of 2, which is purely constant term, will be 0. And differentiation of 1 by x will be minus 1 upon x square. So 1 minus 1 by x square is your final answer, which is given in option A. Ta-da! If y is equal to x plus 1 by x, then we have to get related differential equation. So we have y, let's try to get dy by dx. 1 minus 1 by x square. Now in all of the option we have xy and x square into dy by dx. So if we multiply x, we will get xy is equal to x square plus 1. And here if we multiply x square on both sides, we will get x square dot dy by dx is equal to x square minus 1. So it is observable that if we take equation number 2 minus 1, we will get x square into dy by dx minus xy is equal to x square will cancel out, minus 1 minus will become minus 2, and if we take minus 2 on the left side, we will get plus 2 is equal to 0, which is given in option C. Ta-da! Here we have to differentiate 1 upon x raised to 4 into sec x, which can be rewrite as cos x upon x raised to 4. So here we have to apply division rule. Denominator will be as it is. We have to differentiate your numerator, which is cos x. So it will be minus sin x. Minus your cos x will be as it is. We will differentiate our denominator, which is x raised to 4. So it will be 4x cubed. And don't forget the whole square of your denominator, which is x raised to 4. Now for simplification, we can take x cube common. So we will get x minus sin x minus 4 cos x whole divided by x raised to 8. Now we can cancel out 3 power. and by taking minus common, we will get x sin x plus 4 cos x whole divided by x raised to 5 as the final answer, which is given in option B. Ta-da! If y is equal to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial x cube by 3 factorial up to x raised to n by n factorial, then we have to find out dy by dx. Differentiation of 1 will be 0, differentiation of x will be 1, differentiation of x square will be 2x upon 2 factorial plus differentiation of x cube will be 3x square upon 3 factorial up to n into x raised to n minus 1 upon n factorial, which can be simplified as 1 plus x square by 2 factorial up to x raised to n minus 1 upon n minus 1 factorial. Now, as you can see, we get whole series which is given in equation number 1 except the 9 last term. So from equation number 1, we can say if you take x raised to n by n factorial on the left hand side, we will get y minus x raised to n upon n factorial is equal to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial up to second last term, which is x raised to n minus 1 upon n minus 1 factorial. So let's substitute its value over here. So we will get y minus x raised to n upon n factorial as your dy by dx, which is given in option C. Ta-da! If y is equal to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial up to infinity, then dy by dx is equal to differentiation of 1 will be 0, differentiation of x will be 1, differentiation of x square by 2 factorial will be 2x upon 2 factorial plus 3x square by 3 factorial up to infinity, or we can say our series will become 1 x by 1 plus x square by 2 factorial up to infinity. As you can see, this series is originally equal to y. So we can say your dy by dx is nothing but y, which is given in option A. Ta-da!